Hello there, beautiful people. It's your favorite fashionista here, the Ashley Michelle, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can achieve this quick and easy trendy hairstyle in 5 minutes. That's right, sis. I said 5 minutes. So if you want to know how you can achieve this hairstyle, then keep on watching. First, I'm going to use a rat tail comb to section off my wig into 2 sections. Later on, I'm going to be creating buns with these sections of hair. And I'm also showing you guys that you can make this hairstyle a little bit more versatile by sectioning off 2 small sections in the front so that way you can have some bangs. And also, you guys, remember to section off a little bit of hair around the hairline so that way you can use that to create baby hairs and camouflage the lace later on. And for those of you that might be a little bit worried about your track showing in your wig, we are going to make our buns a little bit bigger than the actual section that we parted, so that way it can overlap and cover any mistakes that we may have missed. And also, you guys, if you want to know where I got my wig stand from, I will link that down below in the description box. This wig stand has definitely been a lifesaver when it has come to styling my wigs, both synthetic and real hair wigs, just because it makes it a whole lot easier to style it and see everything that you're doing. So now that I have everything sectioned off to my liking, I'm just going to grab a scrunchie and create a ponytail with this section of hair. And I'm also going to loosely braid this section of hair as well. Now the key to making this as seamless as possible is making your ponytail not too loose but still secure, so that way no tracks are going to show. And here is what both ponytails look like after I have braided both of them down. Next, I'm going to take each ponytail and wrap it into a little bun and secure it with a bobby pin. Again, you do want to make sure that you're not twisting too tightly because that will expose more tracks. So you just want to take your time with this step as well. And now, you guys, it is time for the magic. So I am going to be adding in some braiding hair. I am going to try to find this brand and link it down below in the description box as well. But I'm simply just going to take the rubber band that comes with the braiding hair to attach it to the little mini bun. And then I'm just going to braid the braiding hair down into a braid and wrap it around my bun. Now this time you do want to kind of wrap it as tightly as you can, so that way you can control how big or how loose you want your bun to be. And I actually decided to make my buns as twists instead of braids. It just made it a little bit more easier for me to secure it. And that is all for this quick and easy 5-minute hairstyle, you guys. I really hope that you all enjoyed this and definitely learned something new. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And most importantly, subscribe for more quick and easy hairstyles like this. And I will see you guys in my next video.